In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train your ElevenLabs voice. From setting up your account to sharing your voice model, I'll be walking you through each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident with the process. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's open your web browser. Whatever your preferred choice may be, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, get it up and running. This is your gateway to the internet and where all the magic happens. Next, in your browser's search bar, type ElevenLabs and hit that search button. Once you're on the ElevenLabs website, proceed to log in using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, now would be the time to do it. Simply follow any prompts for setting up a new account, and once that's settled, proceed to log in. Once logged in, look for your name. It should be prominently displayed at the top, right above where it says My Workspace. Click on your name for a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Payouts. This is where you can manage your financial interactions on the platform. Now, you're going to see an option to link your Stripe Connect account. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll need to create one and link it here. This step is crucial for managing any potential revenue from sharing your voice model. It's a straightforward process, and Stripe will guide you through setting up and linking your account. With the technical prerequisites out of the way, it's time to get your voice recordings uploaded. You'll be aiming for at least 30 minutes of audio content to begin with, but to get the best outcome, ideally aim for 1 to 3 hours. The more recordings you have, the better the training process will work, capturing all the nuances of your voice. Once your voice recordings are uploaded, you'll want to consider sharing your voice model in the voice library. Go to My Voices and find the voice model you'd like to share. There you'll notice a sharing icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the voice model. Click it to start the sharing process. During this process, you'll come across an option to enable financial rewards. This is an exciting part if you'd like to monetize your voice by simply toggling Enable Financial Rewards. Additionally, while sharing, you can configure other settings according to your preference, like privacy levels and distribution options. And there you have it. The steps to training, sharing, and potentially monetizing your voice on ElevenLabs are complete. Just follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your voice model ready to go in no time. Remember, the more you put in, the more you get out. Happy voicing!